there's a hummingbird. Maybe that's for H word. Oh, there's a bird. Yeah, hummingbird is a type of bird. You can draw a hummingbird. So for today's homework, we are trying to find a couple of things that start with the letter B. And we're going to draw them and write down the words. So right now we're brainstorming. We're thinking, what starts with the letter B? 今 B で始まる言葉を一緒に考えてます。What's that?
Bird.
Bird?
Milk.
Milk. We are brainstorming by looking at these images. Milk, I do see milk, but does milk start with B? Milk.
Ball.
Milk.
Ball.
Starts with the M. Ball? Ball? Do you think it starts with a B? Yeah, good job. Yes. So draw a ball. And Kenta, later we're going to write down the word here. 言葉もここに書くからね。Ball. Okay, what else? 他には? Let's try to think of three things. So one more. What's that? A butterfly, yes. Kento, great job. So now what do we do? 次どうするの? Now what do we do? We color. Time to color. Can you make it look beautiful? Can you show your teacher wow work? Wow work. I like what your teacher says. Your teacher says, do your best, show me your wow work. Wow ってびっくりするようなものを見せてちょうだいって先生言うんだよね。Wow work.
いつもね。
Yeah, she says wow work. So now we're tracing. We drew a lot of things that start with the letter B. We have ball, bird, butterfly. What's this?
Blue banana.
A blue banana. Do you want to eat a blue banana?
Yes.
Yes, you want to eat it? We're working on our tracing. Now I'm going to ask you, you're not going to trace. I'm going to write it on my whiteboard and you're going to write it here. Okay? So I wrote down blueberry and Bobby Bear. So Kenta is going to write blueberry. Blueberry. It's one word, blueberry. Yeah, it's sort of hard to write because this book is so thick. 本分厚いから It's hard to write. Yes, that is the correct way to write an A. And then R. Are we done? I think we are done. Stop. Is there a stop sign? Yes, we are done. Yay! Time to play? We can show your teacher your great work, your wow work today. I don't think you're listening. So now we're done with distance learning and Rina is doing her workbook. It's not a part of school. It's not homework, but it's homework that mom gives to Rina. We're learning about subject and verb agreement. Right, Rina?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is a subject?
It tells who or what the sentence is about.
And what is a verb? Or can you give me an example of a verb? Verbs are action words. So Aaron and Ali are the subject, which is correct, and no S because Aaron and Ali, it's plural, right? More than one person. That's why we don't have an S. So that's correct. So I personally think sometimes schoolwork is just not enough or not the right work that a child should be doing. So right now we're doing a 3rd grade language arts workbook and Mina is in 4th grade. And these things are sometimes very difficult for her. 学校に行ってても子供に合った勉強と量ができているとは限らないので、こうやって家でもうちょっと勉強する時間が必要な子とか、もう少し自分に合った教材が必要な子とかは、家でこういうふうにドリルするのが、いい場合もあるかと思います。So this is what our day looks like. Right now, we do distance learning, and then if we have time, and if we don't have play dates planned, we include some things like this. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.